Hi guys, welcome to 2022. Let's all pray for a great year. You know why? Because it's going to be an awesome one, folks. You guys got to get on and watch Vino at 60-Second Cocktail. He did an awesome program welcoming in 2022, and all our viewers are there, all our subscribers, all our friends, everybody is there. Everybody. You got to get on there and watch it. There's some really funny stuff, and Vino did the most excellent job that anybody can do. I can't imagine how much work he put into this. But you got to get on there and watch Vino at 60-Second Cocktail. And anyhow, I'm going to give all you guys a toast out there, and this is going to be...
Oh, no, you're not going to drink that.
Oh, I'm going to drink it.
No, you know what that does to you.
Don't! Don't pay no attention to that guy. He has no clue what he's saying, but he's right about one thing. That Vino at 60-Second Cocktails is great. He's great. I'm going to make a cocktail. I'm Uncle Cocktail, by the way. Did you know I'm Uncle Cocktail? Yeah.
Nope,
Uncle
I didn't
Cocktail.
know.
I'm Uncle. Who are you? Oh, it's you. You were telling Cocktail Tony not to drink that.
Yeah.
You were afraid I was going to come out, weren't you?
Uh-huh.
I come out anytime I want. I'm one of the guys. I come out anytime I want. Today, I'm making a drink called the Blue Lady. We're going to get friendly because we're blue. And I'm going to put in 2.5 ounces of gin.
Or 3.
Nope, 2.5. 2.5. She's always trying to get me to add more. Don't know what the problem is. 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Half an ounce of Blue Curacao. Now I'm going to shake with a smile. That's what Cocktail Tony does because he sees Dave on Booze on the Rocks doing it. And his buddy Tim Kirkland. He's got the spirit of the cocktail. He's got spirits, all right. And Ty, don't make any phone calls from your bathtub with the suds all over your head. It's not right. And Ian, please, Ian. Please, Ian. Please, Ian. When you try to be with Vino as his twin sister, shave that mustache a little, please. And here is the Blue Lady without the garnish. We have no garnish. I could use a hot dog for a garnish or a tomato, but here's looking at you guys, and maybe Cocktail Tony will come back, but right now, you got to bear it with Uncle Cocktail. That is so good. And whatever you say, Cam, Teresa, Booze on the Rocks, Dave, Tim Kirkland, that spirit of the cocktail, Andrew, down there in Australia, Angry Cocktails, all my buddies in the world, everybody I didn't mention, I'm thinking of you guys. I'm thinking of you guys. And don't forget, as Cocktail Tony would say, don't forget to wear a mask, get a vaccination, say hello to your mama. Uncle Tony, Uncle Cocktail, over and out. Now don't forget, everybody, get out there and watch Vino at 6, what am I, Jessica Savage?